Door alignment adjustments. To check the door alignment, stand back away from the refrigerator to inspect the final installation checklist. The ZKFN flush inset trim will leave a 1/2 inch gap on either side of the doors. Check to be sure the handles are evenly aligned with each other at the top. Shipping or the addition of heavy door panels may have caused the doors to move slightly out of alignment. The fresh food door can be adjusted up or down to align with the freezer door. Use a 5/16 wrench to adjust the hinge pin. Check to be sure the handles are evenly aligned with each other at the top. To adjust, loosen the handle screws and slide up or down. Then tighten the screws.